In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a board in Monday.com. Duplicating a board is super helpful when you've already built something that works well and you don't want to start from scratch every time. Maybe you've created a great project template, a content calendar, or a task tracking board. Instead of rebuilding it for every new project, you can simply copy the existing board, adjust a few details, and get going much faster. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you can see the board you want to copy in the left sidebar. In that sidebar, look through your list of boards and click on the board name you want to duplicate. This will open the board and make it the active one on your screen. Now look at the top of the board, near the board's name. You'll see a small three-dot menu icon, often called the More Options menu. It usually looks like three dots in a row. Click on that three-dot menu. This is where Monday.com keeps a lot of board-level options and actions, including the one we need. From the menu that appears, find and click on the option that says Duplicate Board. Once you select this, Monday.com will open a window or dialog box that asks how exactly you want to copy the board. Here, you'll see different duplication options. You can copy the structure only, which means it will duplicate the columns, groups, automations, and layout, but none of the actual items or data. This is perfect if you want a fresh template without any old tasks. You can choose structure and items, which will copy the layout plus all the items currently on the board, but usually without past updates or long histories. This is useful if you want to keep your current tasks as a starting point. Finally, you can choose structure, items, and updates, which gives you a full clone of the board, including the conversation history and updates. This is best when you need a complete copy for reference or archival purposes. Select the option that best fits what you're trying to do. When you're ready, click the Duplicate Board button in that same window. Monday.com will create your new board, usually with a similar name, and you'll see it appear in your left sidebar. From there, you can rename the board, adjust settings, and customize it just like any other board without affecting the original.